Hi guys, welcome back to Manchester Diaries. This is going to be a spend the weekend with me, and we're starting off in Spot 101, which is one of my favorite studios to shoot content in Manchester. You guys, I had to rush over here. You're probably looking at me thinking, Tasha, what's going on? What's going on? And let me tell you, this morning woke up at 7 a.m. It's currently almost 10 o'clock. And bear in mind, my studio session was supposed to start at 9:30, so I just got here. I had to quickly do what I can, and I'm gonna finish off the makeup bits in here before I start shooting. I've got this place for about 3 hours, so I need to make sure that I've done all my content in the next couple of 2 hours basically, so I should be out of here by 12:30. I'm gonna do a bunch of Instagram content. The goal for the first quarter for me was to make sure that I hit that 10k goal on Instagram, so let's go. I've got around 28 days to go, so yeah, I'm excited. And let me show you guys what I've recently got in. So I recently purchased this light from Amazon, and it's supposed to mount on top of my camera. I'm currently using the Sony ZV-1. Let me just put it on, and then I'll show you guys the difference. So I've got the light on. Let me know what you guys think. Did it make a difference? I feel like it really has. I feel the picture quality is a little bit more crisp, and my skin tone is giving. It's giving a little bit more. Bear in mind, I haven't done the rest of my makeup. Like, you guys, let me get to it because the time is actually ticking down, and yeah, I need to get my money's worth. So let me just put the lashes on, which is what's currently left. I got to put my lashes on, do a lip, and then contour because I'm not quite finished just yet, and then start shooting because time is running out. Hey guys, so it's a wrap. This is my last outfit. I'm wearing this gorgeous new-in dress from ASOS. You guys will see it soon enough. When I edit the videos, I'll drop a clip, and I'll also insert some pictures. I love this dress. I've got a baby shower tomorrow, so I'm actually thinking this is the exact outfit that I'm going to wear. So let me just step back and show you guys what I'm thinking. I don't know if you can see it properly, but this is the look. And I'm gonna pair it with my sac de jour from Saint Laurent because it's a baby shower. I really am thinking something neutral. She didn't really have a dress code, so this is what I'm thinking of wearing. I'll show you guys a full outfit of the day tomorrow. But yeah, so let's tidy up. It's 12:11. Let's tidy up, and I will catch up with you guys when I'm downstairs and I'm in the car. So I've wrapped up, I'm downstairs, I'm back in the car, and I have nothing but good reviews for Spot 101, and I'll link the details down below for anyone who is in the Manchester area that wants a content studio. I think they are at such a good price point. For 3 hours, I think I paid around less than £200, and for most of the other studios you're looking at something like £300 for 3 hours or 4 hours. So yeah, less than 200. Definitely, I think it was around 120 for 3 hours, which is a steal. The only downside is they don't have an elevator. You guys, all those bags that you saw, I really had to carry them down like 4 flights of stairs, and I'm out of breath. Like, I have to gather myself, and what's left to do now is just to get home, relax, edit them, and then start posting from Monday. Now I'm starting to love car chats. Yeah, how are you guys doing? I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. It's currently 12:46. It's pouring it down with rain. I'm sure you guys can see it. I'm pretty sure you can hear it. And the next thing on my agenda is to head into town because I'm going to a baby shower tomorrow, but we don't have a gift as of yet. And I'm going with hubby, and it's going to be a sit down dinner type of thing. So I really want to get the baby and mom a gift. So I'm gonna head into Selfridges and see what I can find, and of course I will take you guys along with me. So let's go. Good morning, beautiful people. So it's the next day. Oh, my lips are dry, so don't mind my lips. But I've just got back from yoga. It was such a relaxing, much needed Sunday reset. And I've just got home. I'm going to do a little bit of tidying up in the kitchen. I just feel so calm and just at ease, which is just really nice, and I don't want to lose that feeling today. So I'm just gonna reset the kitchen, make some breakfast, and get the day started. And after I do the kitchen and everything, I'm just gonna do a little bit of skincare. I've not done anything extensive in terms of skincare at home as of yet, but a few weeks back I did do a hydrofacial, which just reset everything, and it's been 2 weeks since then. So today I just wanted to take some time and do a little bit of skincare as well. So I'll show you guys the behind the scenes of that as well. Hey guys, so it's later on in the day. I got myself together. I'm feeling nice, super cute. I'm headed over to a baby shower, and let me show you guys the outfit of the day. So if I do a little bit of a step back, I'm wearing this dress from Cuckoo. You guys have seen it before. If not on my Instagram, then you would have seen it in a little haul that I did in one of my previous vlogs. And then I'm gonna wear these Giuseppe heels right here, and then I'm gonna carry my Chanel bag, which I need to pack. So how I usually pack it though is I put everything in this little insert, and what's going in is powder, little makeup brush. You never know when you might need some spare eyelash glue, lip combo. What I've got on the lips is MAC Chestnut on the liner and Fenty Beauty on the gloss, and I've got some NARS pink little something in the middle. So that's about it. And then some mints as well. And that's it. Pack the bag and we're good to go. Because as always, your girl is starting to run a little bit late, although we are on schedule. It's just that the place is far. And then fragrance of the night. I'm feeling a bit girly, so I think maybe if they do a gender reveal, I feel like it's gonna be a girl because I'm feeling really girly today. Although the back of my dress is blue, so I guess I'm sending mixed signals. But fragrance of the day, Maison Francis Cutest Baccarat Rouge in the X stripe. So a little bit of a spray. A bunch of people are probably going to be wearing this because it's just one of those fragrances that make you smell expensive. And then I'm going to layer it with Delina. You guys know that I live for this girl right here. Just to make sure I smell different, you know? And that's it. That is today's look. I'm feeling so cute. I took my time on my makeup. Let me know what you guys think. I tried out a couple of different combinations. So I like, and let's go. If anything, I'll show you guys a bit of behind the scenes, but I won't get a chance to close out the vlog. So I love you guys and thank you so much for watching all the way until the end. Bye.